Hey everyone, welcome back to Outdoors with Nono. Today I'm out here camping on this lake. And tonight I'm going to show you how to make a campfire. So the first thing I had to go do was find some wood, which it had a fallen tree that, maybe the ranger, somebody cut up. So I threw it over here. Got a nice little chunky piece right there. And then I did throw this piece down here and this piece, and then I got that piece over there. I have to bring it back down. So So the first thing I want to do is, that's a perfect log to use for a seat, but I'm going to go ahead and split it because, ta-da, they have another one that's a lot bigger. I'll leave that one and just use it as a seat. This one is a little longer than you would want, but I'll see if I can split it. This one I'm not sure with all these, branches coming out of it, if I can split. And then this one I'm going to cut in half lengthwise and then split it up some. So it's not like a ton of wood, but there is wood right here in this area if I need more. So, but I'm probably not going to need too much wood. I'm not trying to make a bonfire. So here is the camp saw. Pretty easy little. See. Nope. Let's see if we can split this shit. All right. I'll split it this way. I don't have the skill or the tools to get the job done. Well, I did break up, you know, these pieces here, but you don't have to break up the wood. It's gonna burn. I'm still thinking about breaking this one up, but it turned into a nice little kind of bench next to my seat. So I get to sit right here and have a little bench there. So I don't know. I think I might have to leave it for now, unless I run out of wood. Okay, so I got these 2 big logs in here, and then I got these little sticks. That's what you call kindling, and I got just a little bit there. I'm gonna go collect some more and just keep building on this little platform. The kindling, you know, you want something that catches fire easy. It's kind of like the first level of the fire. But also I got all these pine needles, so I'm gonna use that to light it. Then the kindling will catch, and then I'll throw on some of that medium-sized stuff. Okay, so as you can see, it's nighttime now, and I didn't really want to light the fire earlier when I didn't really need it. So here's a little structure. Got the kindling, put some larger pieces on top. Now those large pieces, I could have split them up a couple times, but we'll see if they light. And then this pine needle here, I'm gonna light it and then push it under the kindling. So it's like pine needle's most flammable, kindling, you know, middle range, and then hopefully it lights these couple big boys at the top. But we will see. So this is what we do. I'm boiling some water over here. Okay. Pine needles are very flammable. And now I just need something to push that in there. Okay. And you know, you get good airflow, a lot of space in there. That helps the fire too. So we're hoping that the kindling catches, because a lot of that flame is from the pine needles. And that these split logs might catch too. Throw some more on there. First the fire kind of dries them out, and then they catch. Sit in my little fire stoop. So it looks like all the kindling is caught. Feels good too, because I tell you, it's only like 65. Now a lot of that fire is the kindling. You know, kindling, the good thing about it, it burns. It's a good flame. But we're trying to make those bigger pieces catch. All right, let's throw another chunk. This is a nice big chunk right here. Throw him right there. And I think we're good. So as you can see, I mean, it doesn't take much, but you know, it's pretty dry conditions right now. So it was just getting the right stuff in the right order. The pine needle at the bottom, the kindling in the middle, and then some nice little chunky logs to be the rest of your fire. So I'm good for a couple hours now. Well, thanks for coming along and helping me start this fire. I hope y'all learned something. And if you have any questions, comments, just let me know in the video comment section.